I'm showing the Lego show. It's Lego show time. Welcome to Prayan's world.
What are these?
This is the character.
Ooh.
And here's the garbage bit of this. And this is the street sweeper. We have this. We have a grass cutter and we have a street sweeper. These are made out of Lego. And the character is also made out of Lego.
Really?
Really? Yes. And the garbage bin is also made out of Lego. And also the garbage.
Ooh, this is a banana peel.
Yes, it is a banana peel. And then it falls over.
Okay, so how will be the garbage collector collect it?
I don't know. So then, oh no. Garbage collector sits in here. Garbage collector sits here. I love my old fans. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. Here's a special tube. Here's a special tube. Just banana. Snap. And put the garbage bin on the top.
Whoa.
Now!
What is this?
It's a tractor. It's a cutting tractor. Yes, this tractor works from the top. And how can this go up?
How?
And these go up?
I don't know. Oh, these also go up.
Yes, and they got all the parts. This works like this.
Can we move it with the steering wheel?
Yes, we can.
Whoa.
See? And see, this moves it too. When these wheels move.
Oh, when these wheels move, that wheels also move. Wow.
See?
Yes.
Put it down.
Oh, so you have two Lego play sets.
I have one more.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Get it.
Please subscribe and hit the bell button